Hi, welcome to Well Rounded Momma's channel. My name is Cora. I'm a midwife down here, and I'm joined with Shana. She's our front desk
entrance biller
gal and now a new student midwife we're very excited about. And today we're going to talk a little bit about when your partners go back to work and what that can look like. Every partner can take off time a little bit differently, and that really depends on jobs and what you guys can afford. How long did Ethan take off work?
He was able to get 2 weeks, but since our little guy came a little early, he had to cough a couple sick days, so it was like 2.5 weeks. Most people don't get that much time off, so we were really grateful for that 2.5 weeks.
And I think with my last baby, my husband got like a week off. And I think I recommend that at least if you can, taking that first week off.
It's really important, especially coming up with a new routine for not just the two of you, but you're introducing a new little baby, sleep schedule, eating, sleeping, kind of, do all the household things too.
Redistributing that chores, I always think is important too, and having conversations beforehand what that postpartum care will look like. The other thing I think is super important is make sure that you accept help from your friends and family. When people offer, hey, how can we help you? Take them up on that. Don't try to be like, no, I got this. Everybody needs help. It takes a village. And I always say when you're planning, if you know your husband has that first week off or something, then maybe having those friends and family come and help you when he goes back to work, because that's when you're going to need more help in that transition. And have them bring you meals, have them come help you with some chores, take care of baby, have people be helpful. Especially everybody wants to come visit baby, but I always say make them earn holding that baby. So have them do some dishes or run a little laundry or bring you some food or any of those simple things that they can do that will make your life a lot easier. Even if it's just holding the baby so you can take a shower. Setting up boundaries, I think, with people beforehand, having conversations before you have baby and what help you want and what you want to do on your own. Breastfeeding, you're like, okay, it's important that you guys can't help me feed because I gotta do that, but maybe you can help me change more with the diapers. Just making sure that you're getting help where it's needed.
And also don't be worrying about your household, especially in the first 2 weeks, because you need to be taking care of yourself with the healing, because you just had a baby, you're already taking care of somebody else and learning what that's like, and that's already a lot. So don't be worried about people coming over and your house is a mess. That's not really important. They're there to see your sweet little baby and helping you with anything that you need, like the laundry or bringing you food, stuff like that.
And don't forget some self-care. It's really hard in that early stage. Sometimes you get lost in that time period because you're so focused on baby and what baby needs that you kind of forget what do you need? How can people help you so that you get that self-care? And sometimes that is just taking a little bit longer of a shower.
Or bath.
Postpartum baths are really good.
Or even a nice nap. To yourself, just take a nice nap.
Yeah, so self-care can look like, even if it's just getting 10 seconds or 10 minutes to yourself.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. That's all
you only get 10 seconds.
10 minutes. At least take 10 minutes for yourself, because when you focus and help yourself, then you're able to help baby too. It's hard to take care of a baby when you're running on steam.
Oh, and we did forget to talk about baby moons before baby comes. Maybe think about planning one, even if that's going away for the weekend to the beach. Just taking a minute for your guys' selves, just enjoying each other's company before you welcome your beautiful baby to the world. Because once they are here, it's going to be a minute till you get, a couple time to yourself. So maybe think about planning one of those at some point, or instead of going to the beach for the weekend, even if that's going on a really nice date, just some you time with your spouse. So something to think about, baby moons.
And I think we have a video on baby moons specifically too, if you guys want to follow that as well. And I think we have some resources for help too that we will link down below. We wish you the best of luck on your postpartum journey, and hopefully you and your partner get all the time that you guys need. Please hit that subscribe button
for all of our other videos.
Watch other videos, and thanks for joining us.
Yeah, bye. Which I think is what more sorry, I lost my train of thought. Sorry, Rebecca. Yeah, just need to be a little sane.
Yeah.